Very good morning, students. Today we will be learning some special type of integral. So if your integration is in the form of dx by ax square plus bx plus c, or integral dx by root of ax square plus bx plus c, or root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. In any of these three methods, if your integration is there, how to do this type? So see here, we know that this is a quadratic equation and we must be splitting this quadratic equation as a sum or difference of a square, perfect square. Sum or difference of the perfect square means it should be in the terms of x square minus a square or x square plus a square. Any of this form we have to split. Okay. If our integration is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square dx, first formula. If our integration is in the form of 1 by a square minus x square dx, then this can be written as 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x plus c. So if the same integration, instead of a square minus x square, if it is there x square minus a square dx, then the formula will be 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Third formula, integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx. So this can be written as log of x plus root of a square minus x square plus c. Log of a square plus x square plus c. Next. So totally here we are having that 6 formulas. So totally here we are having the 6 formulas. The fourth formula is integral 1 by root of x square plus a square dx. If it is in this form, that can be written as log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Next, if your integration is in the form of root of x square minus a square dx, so it can be written as x by 2 into root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Sixth formula, last, integral root of x square plus a square dx. This can be written as x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus root of x square plus a square plus c. Now we will see some questions based on this formula. So example 2.40. Evaluate integral dx by 16 minus x square. Okay. So answer, it is in the form of what is this in this form? 1 by so this can be written as dx by 4 square minus x square. So it is looking like for us a square minus x square dx. If it is a square minus x square dx, it can be written as 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So this is the formula to be used here. What is the a value? A value is 4 and x value will be x only. Now replace this, what it will become? In the formula, integral dx by 4 square minus x square is equals to 1 by 2 into 4. 2 into a value log of a plus x, that is 4 plus x by 4 minus x plus c. So it can be written as 1 by 8 log of 4 plus x by 4 minus x plus c. Let us see another question. Example 2.41. So x variable should be alone. If it is having any number, we have to make the calculations of that. Example 2.41, integral dx by 1 minus 25x square. So look at here. X square is okay for us, but what is extra here? 25. So what I will do, I will take 1 by 25 as common in this. If I take 1 by 25 as common, here, okay, in the denominator first, let me take in the denominator common, integral dx by, if I take 25 common, so what should be left here? 1 by 25 minus 1 minus x square. So this is the first step. So overall I will take 1 by 25 outside, so what will be left here? Dx by 1 by 25 minus x square. It is minus x square. So this 1 by 25 can be written as dx by 1 by 5 whole square minus x square. Now we can write it is in the form of, it is in which form now? X square, a square minus x square. 1 by a square minus x square. Dx by a square minus x square. This can be written as 1 by 2a log of a plus x by a minus x. So the same formula we will write here. So what is here? A value. What is the a value here? 1 by 5. And what is the b value here? Sorry, what is the x value? X only. So now let us write the formula. So integral dx by 1 minus 25 x square is equals to 1 by 2 into a log of a plus x. A plus x means 1 by 5 plus x by 1 by 5 minus x. Now let me write this side. Is equals to, we are continuing this now. So 1 by this 5 will, this can be written as 5 by 2. Log of LCM is 5. So it will become 1 plus 5x divided by LCM is 5, 1 minus 5x. 5 gets cancelled. So 5 by 2 log of 1 plus 5x by 1 minus 5x. Okay, this is the actual, but we are having 25 outside, 1 by 25 outside here. Already in the question 1 by 25 was there. So that 1 by 25, if I multiply here now, 1 by 25 into 5 by 2 log of 1 plus 5x by 1 minus 5x. 5 1s, 5 5. So the answer will become 1 by 10 log of 1 plus 5x by 1 minus 5x plus c. Let us see next question. Example 2.43. Evaluate integral dx by 4x square minus 1. So 4 is extra for us. So let us take 4 common. So if I take 4 common, what will be left here? Dx by 4, if we take common, it will be left x square minus 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 overall we can take common. So that is 1 by 4 integral dx by x square minus 1 by 2 whole square. It is in the form of what formula is here we can use? Integral dx by x square minus a square can be written as 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this is the formula to be used here. Already we have discussed this formula. So let us observe what is a value here. A value is 1 by 2 and x value is x. Let us substitute in this. Now 1 by 4 is there as it is. So let us write 1 by 4 into what is the formula here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 log of x, x minus 1 by 2 by x plus 1 by 2. So 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 4 log of 2 is there, so it will become 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1. 2 gets cancelled. Let us see another question. Example 2.44. All are based on the formula, and we have to do some proper arrangement of the given question. So evaluate integral x square by x square minus 25 dx. If you see these questions here, since it is x square minus 25, I will make in numerator also as such. So I will subtract 25 and I will add 25 on the numerator. So that plus 25 minus 25 gets cancelled, we are going to get the same step. So this I will split it in the denominator like this here, x square minus 25 by x square minus 25 plus 25 by x square minus 25 dx. So this can be written as separate, so these two gets cancelled, that is 1 dx plus 25 we can take outside, integral 1 by x square minus 25 dx. So 1 dx answer is x plus 25 as it is into here 1 by integral 1 by x square minus 5 square dx. So we know the formula of x square minus a square. So let me write the formula first. 1 by x square minus a square dx. What is the formula here? 1 by 2a log of x minus a by x plus a. So let us replace a with 5. So answer will be, just this is the formula to be used only in this place. So remaining all aspects 25 into, now formula is 1 by 2 into, what is the a value? 5 log of x minus a, means x minus 5 by x plus 5. So 5 ones, 5 5s. So the final answer will be x plus 5 by 2 log of x minus 5 by x plus 5 plus c. Let us see another question. Example 2.45. Integral dx by x square minus 3x plus 2. X square minus 3x plus 2. Now this is a quadratic, we have to split it in terms of the factors. So how we will make it as a perfect square here? Integral dx by x square minus, so here we have to make this in terms of 2ab, so that can be written as so 2 into 3x should come, so 2 into a value is x, b value should be 3 by 2 plus, and now look at here, if I am written like this here, 2ab, a square is okay, minus 2ab, why I am writing minus 2ab, why? Because x square minus 3x is done, so definitely we are going to get a minus b whole square. Here x square okay for us, so a value is x, so what is the formula here? A square minus 2ab plus b square. A square I have written, 2 okay, a value is x, x I have written. Next b value I have to write a number in such a way that this 3x should be obtained afterwards. So this 2 gets cancelled, minus 3x, is it matching? So that's why I have taken here 3 by 2, 3 by 2. So since I have taken here 3 by 2 now what What will be the b value here? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, very important step this one. Plus 3 by 2 whole square. Since I am adding 3 by 2 whole square, I will subtract 3 by 2 whole square also. Plus 2. So this is the manner we have to do. So integral dx by this overall will become a minus b whole square, that can be written as x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4 plus 2. So integral dx by x minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this can be written as minus 4 to the 8, 9 minus 9 plus 8 by 4. So integral dx by x minus 3 by 5, 3 by 2, 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4. So that is equals to integral dx by x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now we can see it is in the form of, it is in which form now? Integral 1 by x square minus a square. If it is in the form of integral 1 by x square minus a square dx, so this can be written as log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. Okay. Now, if it is in this form, we can write. But if it is in the root, we can write that. But since it is a normal, so here we can directly write it as, it is not a root now. So 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. So we can use the same formula previously we have used now, log of x minus a by x plus a. So here a value is how much? 1 by 2. X value is how much? X minus 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2. Now let us replace this. So what we are going to get here? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 log of x value, x minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 divided by x minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus c. Here 2 gets cancelled. So here LCM, we can take it LCM log of 2 into x, 2x minus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2x minus 3 plus 1 plus c. Because denominator 2 gets cancelled. So log of 2x minus 4 by 2x minus 2 plus c. So we can take in numerator 2 common, so 2 gets cancelled. So x minus 2 by x minus 1 plus c. Next example 2.46. Integral dx by root of 4x square minus 9. So root of x square minus x square, 4 is extra. So let me take 4 common first. Integral dx by root of, if I take 4 common, so what will be left? X square minus 9 by 4. So if I take overall common, it will become 1 by 2. 1 by root of x square minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. So formula to be used here, 1 by root of x square minus a square dx. Whatever formula we can write, log of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. What is the value to be substituted here. A value is 3 by 2, x value is x only. So what is extra first? 1 by 2 bracket log of x, x is x only, x plus root of x square minus a square means x square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus c. So 1 by 2 log of x plus root of x square minus 9 by 4 plus c. So 1 by 2 log of x plus root of 4x square minus 9 by 4 plus c. So here we can take means inside the root 4 is then this will come out, and this can be made it as 1 by 2 log of 2x plus root of 4x square minus 9 plus c. Oh, sorry, x square